Uh, Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Don't Blink. एंड मैंने बहुत टाइम से एक भी वीडियो नहीं डाला इस चैनल पे. आई थिंक मैं अपने हर चैनल के साथ यही करता हूँ हमेशा. मैं कुछ डाल के और फिर नहीं डालता हूँ बहुत टाइम तक. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. ऐसा है वैसे बट इस चैनल पे मैं इसलिए नहीं डाल रहा था क्योंकि लास्ट वीडियो में जो भी मेरी एनर्जी थी, जो भी whatever I was feeling that time, I expressed it. And like I I remember कि मैं उस वीडियो में ये सब बातें कर रहा था कि you don't have to be afraid anymore, and whatever you want to do it from your heart. Make a plan, figure it out. You are into that energy where it's a new earth energy, and you are in the creator mode of your life. So why I did not make a video since 8 months. Yeah, so my only purpose was to understand that okay, I like that time I felt that energy, okay, and I felt that energy outburst inside me, that I can do anything on this planet. I can create anything on this planet. I can create a life for me that I want. All right. So it was very important for me to embody that energy and then come back, talk to you guys about it. Okay. Of course, I understand that it's more about the journey of getting there, but sorry. Water. I don't have water. Anyways, more about it's more about the journey, right? Of course. And मैं वो journey नहीं दिखा रहा था इस पे because I don't know, man. I was literally little confused also. I was confident. I was embodying that journey, but it took me some time. It took me a few months to actually get there. And all I can say right now is that it did happen. Like whatever I was talking about in that video, I don't know if I manifested this thing into my life, or did I just jump a timeline in my life. I think I'm jumping timelines right now, and that those 8 months were actually preparation time. How our body functions. It always goes into hibernation mode after a period of exerting itself, and that is something that was happening with me at that time. So in my last video, I embodied that energy. Like I was feeling that energy. After that, I completely embodied that energy somehow, and I just started working towards my personal goals. Like if I could just turn the camera, I could just show you a chart of things that I want to do right now. Not right now, I mean over a span of time, but मैं भी नहीं दिखाता हूँ. बाद में we will we will always come back with data on this physical realm. Data is what matters, right? This reality is completely logically based on data. Okay, so last time जो मैं बातें कर रहा था वो बस energies थी. वो बस those were thoughts that were being manifested into my realm, my reality, by my mind. Okay, and वो reality में convert नहीं हुआ था तब तक, and it took me time. 8 months. I cannot imagine मैं job करके, जब job कर रहा था इतने साल से, sorry if the camera is shaking. Yeah, मैं job कर रहा था इतने साल से, I could not save money. Okay, and now once that I've decided to just build my own life, not work for anyone else. I mean, even if I'm working for clients, I choose conscious clients, right? who value time, who value creative freedom, who value impact, who want to who want to actually benefit the earth somehow through their work. And even if I'm not doing that, I'm still working with clients who are empathetic, simply to say. So that ways things did work out for me. I started attracting energies that were friendly, that were whose values were revolving around co-creation. And ऐसे clients मेरे को मिले, and I started saving money, I started building my own thing. And मुझे याद है so मेरे पास ना पहले of course तुम मेरा घर देख के बता सकते हो, it looks nice, clean. अभी यहाँ थोड़ा सा स्टफ पड़ा हुआ है क्योंकि मैंने ब्लिंकिट से एक टेबल राइजर, मॉनिटर राइजर ऑर्डर किया था, तो वो है। ये मेरा टापो है जिससे which helps me yeah, anyways, coming back to the topic. Okay, so यार ADHD यार, मैं ऐसे घूम हो जाता हूँ ना बातों के बीच में। Now I have to recall मैं क्या बोल रहा था। घर की बात कर रहा था, या करेक्ट। Yeah, by looking at this house you might feel that everything is clean, neat, proper, it looks good, it's like wood, like color, structure, everything fine. So that's not the thing. मैं अपनी लाइफ को इनहेरिट नहीं करता हूँ अपने फैमिली में किसी से भी। You get that point? You get what I'm saying? I believe in building my own thing. I believe in creating my own life, my own structure in life, my own values, my own morality. So one sec. So yeah, so मेरे पास एक टेबल होता था जो एक्चुअली एक डेकोरेटिव टेबल था, एंड मम्मी उस पे प्लांट रखती थी। सॉरी, प्लांट या लाइक इट वाज अ लिविंग रूम, सम कांच का थिंग, ठीक है। 2 थे वैसे। एंड मैं पिछले ऑलमोस्ट 1-2 साल से उसी पे ही काम करता था, 2-2.5 साल से। लाइक मैंने उनको कंबाइन करके एक कपड़ा बिछा के उसी पे मैंने अपना सेटअप बना रखा था, रफ सा। एंड आई स्टार्टेड सेविंग अप मनी। आई like I cried little. There's this thing that happened right after 3 months of making that last video. मैं straight up Apple store में गया क्योंकि मेरे लिए like why I wanted to not work for a company also was that there was another reason attached to it. It was that I wanted to travel, and मैं दुनिया घूमना चाहता हूँ। मैं हर एक जगह देखना चाहता हूँ इस वर्ल्ड में। कोई ठीक है, किसी ने बॉर्डर्स ड्रॉ कर दिए, इट्स ओके, वी विल फॉलो द रूल्स एंड स्टिल एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड। एंड मुझे ये अर्थ देखना है कि इस सुंदर अर्थ पे और कौन कौन सी जगह है। सो फॉर दैट आई नीडेड अ गुड लैपटॉप, ठीक है। पहले मैं सिस्टम पे काम करता था, मतलब आफ्टर माई जॉब। सो मेरा सिस्टम अच्छा है, इट्स हाई एंड, बट मैं इसको लेके नहीं घूम सकता। मैं इसको हाउ आई रियलाइज्ड वाज दैट मैं धर्मशाला गया था हिमाचल में एक 15 डेज के लिए अपने फ्रेंड के साथ। सो वहाँ पे मैंने गाड़ी के अंदर ये सिस्टम, बड़ा सा सिस्टम डाल के मैं लेके गया था वहाँ पे, बिकॉज मेरे को काम भी करना था। एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि ये बिल्कुल भी सही तरीका है नहीं काम करने का, ठीक है। सो एज सुन एज आई वॉज बैक इन दिल्ली, आई डिसाइडेड कि फर्स्ट थिंग हमें कैसे भी एक लैपटॉप खरीदना है, ठीक है। एंड लाइक आई इन माई लाइफ राइट नाउ, I will never buy anything on EMI or anything, ठीक है, or any loan or anything. I'm totally against it. That, like, you know, it puts you into so much financial trouble. You have no idea. So you have to make you have to make smart decisions when it comes to finance. Always make that number one priority in your life. So I came back and I had saved some good amount of money from whatever freelance work I was doing at that time. And मैं straight up Apple के store में गया and I bought myself a MacBook. Okay. And मैं उस दिन थोड़ा सा इमोशनल हो गया था बिकॉज मैंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ में कभी भी कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं खरीदी जिसके लिए मैं स्ट्रेट अप पेमेंट कर रहा हूँ अप फ्रंट होके, लाइक नो EMI, नथिंग, लाइक स्ट्रेट हार्ड मनी. एंड आई मीन it, like, I'll tell you, the thing is, I did not cry because I was feeling a sense of pride in that moment. No, I cried because I could never imagine that, I would be able to do this. Like, अब वो कोई भी चीज़ होती, लाइक अगर वो 1 लाख रुपए का कोई फ़ोन भी होता तो भी शायद मेरे को वैसे ही फील होता, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ में खुद के पैसों से, लाइक खुद के पैसे एज इन, लाइक मैंने हमेशा खुद के पैसों से ही करा है जो भी करा है, बट लाइक एक EMIs पे करते थे पहले तो शिट, ठीक है, जो एक लूप होता है उससे तो मैं बहुत पहले बाहर आ चुका था. बट लाइक खुद के पैसे से, हार्ड अर्नड मनी से सीधा जाके वो चीज़ खरीद लेना, इट गेव मी अ नाइस फीलिंग मैन. लाइक उसमें कोई प्राइड नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, इट वॉज जस्ट प्योर हैप्पीनेस बिकॉज यू हैव नेवर डन दैट बिफोर, यू हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस दैट बिफोर. सो या मैं अभी भी वीडियो उसी पे ही बना रहा हूँ. सो आई वेंट देयर, बॉट अ लैपटॉप, एंड उसके बाद मेरी लाइफ थोड़ी सी स्विच होती गई एंड आई स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग अगेन. एंड मैं चंडीगढ़ गया, मैंने हिमाचल भी गया. उसके बाद चंडीगढ़ तो मतलब एक वीडियो शूट के लिए गया था, अपने म्यूज़िक वीडियो के लिए. मैं रैपर भी हूँ ना, तो मैं म्यूज़िक बनाता हूँ, तो उसका ही शूट था. मेरे बहुत अच्छे एक फ्रेंड सुक्की ने उसको डायरेक्ट किया था. एंड हाँ, लाइक ये सब बताने का मेरा ये मतलब था कि वो एनर्जी मैं एम्बॉडी कर चुका हूँ, जो उस एनर्जी का मैनिफेस्टेशन हो रहा था उस टाइम 8 months पहले. एंड मैन, आई कैनॉट इमेजिन, लाइक उसके बाद मैंने, लाइक आई एम स्लोली क्रिएटिंग अ स्पेस ऑफ माई ओन. आई वुड रियली लव टू शो यू गाइज. 1 second, I don't know if I can just edit this video and still show you my setup. Maybe put a picture and yeah, I've clicked a picture, I'll put it while editing. So I'll show you my setup, okay? It's something that I've been building from scratch since last 2 months. There's a table, there's a nice wooden table, and of course my monitor, my wall where every inspiration is there. It's empty right now, but मैं धीरे धीरे बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ. मेरा एक मैं लाइक एक वीडियो मेरे को सिर्फ अपने इंटीरियर के ऊपर बनाना है बेसिकली. लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू चेंज द इंटीरियर्स ऑफ माय रूम बेसिकली. सो उस पर मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ पैरेलली. सो वो मैं करूँगा. सो या लाइक आई एम्बॉडीड दैट एनर्जी. एंड अब मैं मेरे को भी, लाइक तब मेरे को ये नहीं पता था कि हाउ आई विल डू इट, बट इट हैपेंड, बिकॉज वो थॉट्स मैनिफेस्ट हो रहे थे मेरी लाइफ में. अगर मैं वो एनर्जी पहले ही फील कर पा रहा हूँ, मतलब वो मेरा हायर सेल्फ उस रियलिटी में एग्जिस्ट करता है, एंड आई एम ऑन द राइट पाथ, एंड सो आई वांट कि, लाइक आई वांटेड टू शेयर दिस सो दैट you guys would know that why I did not post a video for 8 months. and अब मैं regularly डालूंगा videos और इस पे, because for me it's important to come with facts and data rather than just talking about energies, okay? And this is data right in front of you. Whatever I was saying in that video is my reality right now. It is my present right now. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to the Most High, to my family, and everyone who is supporting me in this journey. And it's so beautiful, man. I cannot even tell you guys. And also, like, okay, like let's just discuss another thing today. And I want to discuss sobriety. Okay, so I used to be a party animal, I would say. I used to drink a lot, smoke a lot, go out a lot, hang out a lot. Even that reality has completely changed, and it actually started rooting in 2023, 2 years back. 23, I got this urge that that, hey man, I have to take care of my body, because my soul is my responsibility, right? I cannot afford to make a chaos of my soul, right? And how I can not make chaos of my soul is by doing things that are right. Okay, of course, nothing is right, nothing is wrong on this planet, but like, you always have a compass inside you that tells you what is right and what is wrong for you, always. So I wanted to do things in a right way for my life, so that I'm not creating a chaos of my soul. And I took that decision. It came to me. It manifested into my life that I have to quit everything in my life, everything that adds zero net positive in my life. So मैंने 23 में एक sober journey start करी, where I quit everything, hard quit, like complete stop. Okay. And it did work out for 60-70 days. Of course, I was getting urges. Of course, I was struggling. Not gonna lie, I was going through some mood swings, definitely. But the thing is that, to do that, to achieve that, I had to isolate myself from everyone who were a part of my reality before that, like my friends and people with whom I used to go out, hang out, party, etc. Which was wrong. It is like, see, friendships, they fall out naturally. It's okay. But if I am going on a sober journey and my friends don't want to, or they are comfortable with whatever they do in their life, it's their thing, right? It's not my responsibility to change wrong word. So of course, like, what I want to say is, it's not my responsibility to force or pressure people into changing habits of their life. I can always show them the mirror, but I cannot be responsible for them. All I can be responsible for is me. I can be responsible for my soul. I can take those steps that are necessary for me. Okay? So I did that, and of course, like, मेरे friend से मैं थोड़ा दूर होता गया सबसे, and isolation इतना बढ़ गया था. And after 60-70 days, New Year's था. So New Year's पे we all decided to go for a trip. I also joined. I was skeptical because मेरे को पता नहीं, like I thought it would be triggering for me, because everyone would be drinking, smoking, and मैं वो reality छोड़ चुका हूँ. And that time I realized one thing about myself, that I can never be a perfect human being. No one can be a perfect human being, and we always have to have empathy and love for whatever version of being we are at that time. So what I did was, I drank, okay, on New Year's, and I smoked also. Not that much, but I did. And I think I just allowed myself, basically. I gave myself permission to do it. And after that, it did continue for good 4-5 months. And And it all happened between these 8 months where, I did not make any video or anything. But then I went to this Dharamshala trip, Himachal trip, where I realized again that whatever I was doing is not for me, and I have a lot of strength, and I can always break this pattern, okay? Always. And that time I again did a hard cut. I stopped drinking, I stopped smoking, I stopped everything that adds no value to my life, okay? Everything. You can say I'm logged in right now. And you can see it in my aura also, okay? And yeah, like what happened after that was it became easy, man. Like for me to quit everything was so easy. It was like a switch. I just turned that switch off in my brain. I'm, rewiring things in my brain. My brain is getting adapted to it, and my life is taking a complete different path now. And it's I don't even remember how many days. I think it's been 150 or some days of sobriety right now in my life, and I have a really nice routine where I meditate sometimes, and even if I don't feel like meditating, I'll just put some music, go on a walk, and every day one physical activity is something that I do every day. Be gym, be walking, running, it can be anything. That is very important for me. And apart from that, I don't work a lot. I mostly work for 4 to 5 hours a day, and that's it. Apart from that, I just work on other things in my life, like maybe I'll create an art, maybe I'll just sit and think about the next creation or plan things out. And honestly, I have so many things lined up for this year that I'm working on right now, and you will see those things manifest in my life, because my intent, my thoughts and action, they are working in a symmetry. They are aligned, and there are no distractions in my life right now. I I've become that person where earlier I think I used to people please a lot. I don't do that anymore. And I don't chase any people, man. Like I want things in my life to happen naturally, like organically. Everything should be organic. And of course there is free will, but I do believe in free will. But I've seen that whenever I have expressed my free will, it has not given me back what I've desired. So yeah, my heart, my soul, it craves for a beautiful life that I'm creating right now. It's magical, and I'm not scared at all. And I want to travel a lot. And it's my mom messaging me to have lunch. And I don't know what are you guys up to? Like, क्या चल रहा है आप लोगों की लाइफ में? Please come into my comment section, talk about things. Let's create this community, man. Let's expand it. And slowly मैं इसमें और crazy videos बनाने वाला हूँ. कुछ मेरे पास ideas हैं. So I would love to have a one-on-one conversation with any of my subscribers. Right now I have just one subscriber, and I don't know who that person is. But we can, just get on a Zoom call, have a spiritual conversation, post it here. And I want this community to be in that energy where we are on the creator level of our lives right now. You are a creator, okay? You are not a consumer. So stop being a consumer. Even if you are consuming, consume the right things that are beneficial for your heart, brain, soul, man, and rest will just fall into place. I like today I'm posting this video as a proof that 8 months back, whatever energy I was talking about, I embodied it, and you also can do it. Time does not exist. We just, we humans just quantified time so that we can capitalize it, but टाइम एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. 8 महीने, 4 महीने, 1 साल, 2 साल, 4 साल, आपको जब भी ये एनर्जी आ रही है ना, एम्बॉडी इट. अपनी लाइफ से इरेडिकेट कर दो सुट्टा, गांजा, दारू, ये सब, एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग फिजिकल, वॉक, रनिंग, एनीथिंग. एंड I mean, there are so many good dopamine habits that you can literally attain in your life, man. धूप में जाके बैठो. मतलब मैं ये सब चीज़ें लाइक तुम किसी बच्चे को बताओगे ना, लाइक टीन को, वो बोलेगा अरे क्या बकवास कर रहा है भाई ये बंदा, क्या मैं करता रहता है. नो मैन, लाइक अगर मैं भी उस टीन में होता ना, मेरे को कोई ये सब चीज़ें बताता, शायद मैं भी यही सोचता. बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम 31 years old, and it's not about age also, I think my soul has just awakened, and I realize that that there are so many people who are sleeping till now and they don't know about so many things. There are so many layers to our life, and everyone is just after a short term, short term dopamine hit. Basically, get out of that cycle, man. Get out of that cycle. Like, you can trust me, there are so many sources of good dopamine. Just wake up, clean your bed. It's a dopamine hit. I did that today also. Every day I do that. Right now my bed is messy because I ordered something from Blinkit and I have to throw the wrappers and all. Otherwise it's clean, brother. And go out, go for a walk, and smile more, man. That's dopamine. Like, क्या अपना हुडी डाल के कोने में जाके कहीं बैठ जाओ? No, man. अभी 3 दिन पहले पता है मैं मुंबई में था, मैं और मेरा कजन बैठे थे, एंड हम सोच रहे थे कि यार पब चलते हैं, ठीक है. अब मैं तो पीता नहीं हूँ, बट हम सोच रहे थे चलते हैं. बट देन वी रियलाइज हम करेंगे क्या वहाँ पे? हम लिटरली बस एक कोने में बैठे रहेंगे और गाना सुनते रहेंगे, बस म्यूजिक. एड्स जीरो वैल्यू अगेन. सो लाइक मैं अपनी लाइफ को वैसे देखने लग गया, लाइक मैं अपने डिसीजंस को वैसे देखने लग गया हूँ कि क्या ये मेरी लाइफ में कुछ वैल्यू ऐड करने वाला है, ये डिसीजन जो मैं लेने चाहता हूँ, या नहीं करने वाला है. तो उस हिसाब से मैं डिसाइड करता हूँ चीज़ें. एंड भाई बहुत सारी डोपामिन हिट्स की चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारी हैं. आई थिंक उस पर भी हमें एक वीडियो बना देनी चाहिए बाद में. एंड तुम वो सब करो यार, लाइक ट्रस्ट मी एंड जस्ट सरेंडर, मैन. लाइक अगर कोई रिलेशनशिप एंड हो रहा है तुम्हारी लाइफ में, सरेंडर. यू विल ऑलवेज हैव योरसेल्फ भाई, यू विल ऑलवेज हैव योरसेल्फ. नो वन कैन टेक यू फ्रॉम. Lost my moment of success here. But you get my point. So I think इस वीडियो को एंड करते हैं, बहुत बड़ी हो गया है और एग्जैक्ट 29 मिनट्स की है. मुझे अच्छा लगा वापस कुछ पोस्ट करके इस पे. और सुनते रहो यार, देखते रहो डोंट ब्लिंक इट. बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस पे करने वाले हैं अभी हम लोग. एंड यहाँ पे सब रॉ होता है. एवरीथिंग इज रॉ एंड रियल एंड नथिंग इज फेक. रियल ऑथेंटिक सेल्फ, वो हैं हम लोग. जब मैं अपना रियल सेल्फ आप लोगों के आगे रख सकता हूँ, तभी मैं रियल लोगों को अट्रैक्ट कर पाऊँगा एंड वो कम्युनिटी में बना पाऊँगा, जो लोग एक्चुअली में मेरे जैसे अपने इस एनर्जी और इस पाथ पे हैं अभी इस टाइम, जिनको हम कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियस बोलते हैं, कॉन्शियसनेस. सो यप. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.